Good morning, students and parents. In the last video, we have discussed about the icons that were small in the list detail. So here is one more that was left, that is contents. So this option displays your files and folders in content format with the name, type and the date when the file is last modified. The content is shown here the picture is given here, the folders are here and the date modified is here. This is similar to the details, but in details you get a lot of content, lot of information get about the file and folder, but here name, type and the date is given, date of modification. So come to the next topic now, that is organizing files and folders in Windows Explorer. So the first is opening files and folders. How will you open it? When open option appears in the menu control bar when you select a file or folder in the Windows Explorer. When Windows Explorer is open, this is the picture of Windows Explorer, and when you select it, now you have selected here this folder and you can see open option on the menu bar. So select the folder and click on the open option to open the file and folders. So the next is creating new folder. How will you create a new folder? Create new folder option is also given in the menu bar. You can create any new folder using that option. So the first step is select the folder from the left pane where you want to create a new folder, means destination folder. You have to select from the left pane the destination folder, and after that click the new folder option from the menu control bar. Here is the new folder option. So next step, new folder icon appears on the right pane, and now type a suitable name for the folder. Here you can see the new folder is created and you will write the name of this folder. Now this is inside this Cordova folder, as we have first selected this Cordova folder. So next, renaming files and folders. So renaming option in the organize menu on the menu control bar is used to change the name of existing files and folders. Now you have already created a folder and you have given a name, but you have done a mistake that you have written a wrong name and you want to correct it. So to do that, step 1, select the file or folder, and step 2, click the rename option from the organize. So here you can see the picture. In the first step, select a file or folder. Here we have selected this file and we want to change the name of it. So click step 2, organize and rename option. So organize menu is here, and under this the menu will come, so many options will be here. Here you will choose the rename option, and after that you have to write the new name for that particular file or folder. So here you have written a new name and then press the enter key. Now next, how will you select all files and folders? So to select all option is used to select all the files and folders present in a folder or a drive. To do that, step 1, click the organize menu. Now where is the organize menu? Organize menu is here. You can see this, the first in the menu bar, the first menu is organize menu. Step 2, click the select all option. The pop-up it will give you a pop-up window, a pop-up menu, and here you will choose selector. For renaming option, you have chosen the rename. Now you will select all option. This is the drop down list, and all the files and folders get selected. You can see in this picture the files and folders that are here inside this Cordova folder are selected. So this was for today, children. Now here you have selected all file and folder using the organize menu, but using your keyboard you can also do the same. How? Using the press the control key and then press the A key, control plus A, select the all files and folders. Thank you.